Yes, that's it. Let's see yours.
There's one. I'm not gonna lie.
No, that's not a bubble. Words like
Welcome to Italy Hands-On. We're here today with Eli.
Hello.
And we're gonna make a souvenir of my trip in Milan. What are we gonna make today with our hands?
We will be doing a bowl from zero, from this to a proper bowl that you can take home. Have a difficult one here.
Okay.
There you have.
Wonderful. How's my hair? Good?
Microphone.
Oh no! Microphone.
All right, so first step is wedging. So this is a very manual work on pottery. We will be using all the weight of your body.
Okay.
So it's like a Pilates class. And this is something we don't want to do because whatever you take and divide, then you have to work double.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So, but don't worry, we can fix it.
All good.
Fiore, you started well, already doing mistakes. I'm checking on you.
I know.
No,
Sorry.
it's okay. Today, this is the point, to have fun, and there's no perfect the first time ever.
Okay.
Make it like a ball with your hands, with the palm of your hand.
Yeah.
So with little taps, and go round and round. And you can hit it against the yes.
Very
Table.
brutal, very brutal.
This is called the bowl's head.
Cow face. Bull
Yeah,
head.
it's like a couch.
It doesn't even matter, you know? It looks like this. Just get
So
it
something
this.
like this. So this is supposed to be like the horns of the cow or the bull, and this is the head. And the thing is that you wanna press on the horns and then twist it. So what we are doing here is taking out any kind of air that you have inside and making it softer.
And why don't we want bubbles inside? Why don't we want air?
Because when this goes to the kiln, if there's any oxygen, it gets hot, it can explode your piece.
Boom.
Boom.
Okay.
We don't want boom.
Okay. This is honestly a workout.
It is.
I'm not even lying.
It is. Okay, and now we will test how well the wedging was.
Yes.
So this is the fire test.
Woo!
And we have to cut it here, half, and open it. Perfect. We shouldn't be seeing any bubbles inside. So mine is good. Let's see yours.
There's one. I'm not gonna lie.
No, that's not a bubble. Don't believe that.
I don't think mine's ready though. No, raga, don't judge me.
Go.
Ay.
Okay,
There's
so we
a
do
small
have
one.
So again, no, wait.
Okay.
So now with all your strength, just put them together like clap. Go. That wasn't strong enough. It's okay. She's not angry. She's not stressed. Okay, go ahead.
Di nuovo.
And now again. And then some more wedging. Yes, don't take the table.
Aiuto.
Go.
Oh my goodness.
It looks like the first time you're doing ceramics. Don't you take care of a hobby platform? Like, is this for real?
I don't normally do this part. This part's done for
Well,
me.
she's busy with the business management, so. Okay.
Okay, aspetta. I feel like I need more. Vado? Secondo me, I
So
think
this is the new
No, but I think this is
Fiore's
worse than
technique.
before. Okay.
Go ahead.
Pronti?
Yeah.
Non c'è niente! No.
Ma, it's okay. We will fix this.
Okay, fare.
No, again, very strong. So because now you don't want to put again some oxygen inside, no? Some air.
This one
Yeah?
was better. Okay. At this point, I'm sweating, but let's go.
Ailey, tell us, when did you decide to open Lulolab? And what is the vibe here usually, every day?
I decided to live a corporate life.
Ah.
So the vibe here is just come, relax, use your hands, turn off all the screens, your computer, and you know, your head out of work, you go and let your inner child come out and have fun.
I think if you're visiting Milan, this is the perfect experience to end your trip on a good note, you know, like high vibrational energy.
When you come here, you zen out, but then you're fully present.
Okay, so now step 2, we'll take the wheel, okay, and with a wet sponge, we will, yes, get it just a bit wet, and then again, with strength, go and, yes, that's it. You will literally pinch your clay
Okay.
to give it the shape you want. And it's a very manual, it's a very intuitive technique, it's the easiest. And we will start with your tongue in the middle.
With my tongue.
Sorry, no, this is not the tongue.
With my thumb.
As well, if you want to try that. Now with your thumb in the middle.
Yeah.
And go in.
What are you making?
I'm making also my breakfast bowl. I have a collection, so I'll just add one more.
Love it. Jenny.
I'm now the expert and I count.
Okay, good.
You like it?
Yeah, I do like it.
What
Wait
do you
a
think?
second.
Let me check.
Oh my god!
What do you think?
You already
your
won!
It was your fault.
Well, I think you need some work here on the bottom, but it's a good first time.
You're right.
So we can use a bit the sponge to clean some imperfections.
Yes.
If you see some stuff that you would like to fix.
Yes.
For example, these little holes or the cracks.
Yeah. Fix the crack.
Well, and you, Fiore, what motivated you to pursue a more creative life as well?
I have a similar backstory. I also left corporate life, finance in London, to start a simpler, slower, fuller of joy life. So,
Is it slower and simpler?
kind of. I think I'm getting there, but I'm glad to have met people like you along the way, obviously, because I feel less lonely in this adventure.
It is.
But slowly but surely, I'm meeting more and more people who look for that. And they look for that in their normal life, and they look for that on trips, and they organize, you know, travel with purpose and through their hobbies, and they, you know, continue their passions at home and also abroad, and they want to learn from artisans like you. So we love to meet people like us, don't we?
Yeah, we do. You feel in company, and you know it gives a purpose to what we are doing.
Exactly. I feel so zen already, having put hands in clay for a while.
It's really meditating therapy.
Io la sto bagnando e non so perché, però mi andava. It felt right.
No, you shouldn't.
Okay.
So you need a drink. Your clay doesn't need a drink.
Yeah, maybe.
Don't risk it. No.
Okay, stop. No more
Stop.
water.
More water means you lose the strength. We need the strength.
Got it.
Okay.
Vado?
Yeah, you go. So now we get it dry a bit. Great. So what we want with this is we want a leather hard texture before the first firing. Okay, show me. How is it? Nice. Do we tell her? Well, I think you paint more than your bowl.
Oh yeah?
More than?
Your bowl. Let's see if she knows.
So last summer I spoke with a psychic and she...
Of course you did.
Yeah.
She did.
Of course you did.
$75 on PayPal. Okay. So it was...
On PayPal.
Yeah!
This sounds a bit sketchy.
It was an investment, okay? And Taylor is really nice. Anyway, she said my aura is light blue, which means I have a very light and like welcoming soul and energy.
She does.
And to be honest, she ain't lying.
Ain't lying.
She ain't lying. We should do this, can I?
Yeah, we can swap.
Vai!
So girls, I'll leave you to it. So girls, I'll leave you to it.
Just leave us to it. God. My goodness.
This is gonna go for first firing.
I need to go too? Ok.
Sì, sì, usciamo un attimo, sì.
Oh raga, questi cavi sono veramente pericolosi.
So this is what we got after the first firing. Ta-da! And now we can apply the glaze. This goes for a second firing and we are done.
Cheers!
Cheers!
I think they came out really nicely. What do you think?
Against all
Odds.
odds. Contra todo pronostico.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Explain me what you created here. Explain a bit the meaning around your work of art.
Right, so this is a breakfast bowl that I made with the pizzicotto technique. This is completely made...
Pizzicotto, like...
Yeah.
So it's...
Pizzicotto.
Because pizzicotto in Italian means that when I
Another
like...
thing, yeah, no, with
I
the
do
pinching
this.
technique she did.
With
A
the
pinching
pinching technique.
And is it for you or do you want to give it to someone special?
Absolutely for me.
Oh, okay,
Absolutely
just
for
for
me.
you. I thought,
Yeah.
okay, amazing and a good
Treat
gift.
yourself.
Yeah, obviously. Treat yourself.
Okay, you're right, you're right. I thought it was for me actually. No.
She'll come for next one.
Yeah, all the humor brought, like literally no gift for me, not at all.
Do you want this? I think it's too tall for you.
What do you mean? No, this is.
I'm very relaxed. I don't know about you. I love doing this with my own hands.
I loved watching you. Actually.
Thank you.
Yes, I did.
Thanks for being here. We had fun, didn't we?
We actually did.
I'm gonna bring this home and this is gonna remind me of our beautiful memories together.
Exactly.
Every time I drink from this, wait, actually,
Should we have a coffee?
yeah, we should.
We should have a coffee. Maybe it's gonna be your next episode, right?
Oh yeah.
Maybe we don't know. We don't know. You'll see.
Wonderful. We'll see you next time. Cheers.
On Italy Hands On.
Io stavo cheersando da sola, ma vabbè. Ok.
Nessuno sì, vabbè.